Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Guys, I have got a couple of things here that I am super stoked to share with you guys. Now, a lot of you that watch the channel very regularly, I mean, you are very familiar with our good friend, Mr. PNW Fun Works. Josh has been hand carving pens and sending them out to not only me, but several other channels. I mean, I bought a few from him, even bought him blanks, wood blanks, to actually carve the pens that he so graciously donates. And he's now part of the EDC Roundtable, has been for a little while now, but he's evolving into now not only hand carving, but he turns pens on a lathe, which is very cool. I mean, you guys remember some of his, hand carved goodness? I mean, just stuff like this. Oh, we have the Scarlet Finch. He's carved. Now, some of these guys, he said it takes him. Oh, yeah, we got the glow in the dark dude. I always lose his hat. Sorry, Josh. His hat keeps falling off. Anyway, I mean, you guys know what he's done for the channel over the past few years. And it's very cool to see his craft evolve. Now, what I have here, he's recently started turning pens on a lathe, for sure. And he's, in talking with him, he's still getting the hang of it. He had a couple on the EDC Roundtable. I went in there, I found them, I got them. I said here in a live, I was going to hopefully buy a couple and get them out. Probably use them as giveaway items, just like I did with the hand carved pens that he's put in. There's a totem pole, man, very cool. So now, and he's carved fishing lures and wands and walking. He's awesome, and he's been very generous to the channel. So we're gonna take a look at a couple of the ones that I just got. And it says, he said he's still working it out. He doesn't get a lot of them on the round table, but when he does, oh, guys, check that out. Now, this one, if I remember correctly, is stained pine. Look at the grain on that. Twist. Then, guys, he charges $25 for these. That just blew me away, to be perfectly honest with you. I know he's just started, and he's, doing this, but $25 for this hand-assembled, hand-lathed, I consider it a steal. I mean, come on. But twist to open, God, this is so cool. I am so stoked for him that he's evolved to this. Now, we're going to take this out, and as you can see there, you've got the center there. You've got these little screw-in refills. Very nice. Very nice. On his original ones, it was the, just basically pretty much your standard old Bic refill. And just to see where he started and how far he's come is just absolutely, it's so awesome. But this stained pine one looks really good. Now let's check this one out. This one is Indian rosewood. So, and he dresses them up a bit. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Holy cow, man. Absolutely gorgeous pen. $25. That's what he charges for these. I am absolutely astounded. That is very cool. Maybe, he gets some more wood. He can, when I say elevate his game, in talking with him, like I said, he's freely admits, hey, we have some mistakes. We start over. I get it. I would hate to even try to do this. Anytime I try to do something like that, I get it just doesn't turn out. We'll just put it that way. These are absolutely gorgeous. gorgeous pens. I know he was working on some with a Purple Heart. If you go follow him, if you're on Instagram, go follow him on Instagram. If you're on Facebook, follow him on Facebook. You know, I'll put links down below, so if you guys want to follow him more in depth, you certainly can. But all I can say is, Josh, I am so stoked for you in watching your progression on how you started to where you're at right now. I have no doubt that in no time you are going to be a pen turning monster, and I'm so stoked for you. Absolutely 100%. These are fantastic, gorgeous pens, and I can't wait to see what you come up with next, my friend. Absolutely. Just a quick one for you today, guys. I just really wanted to share these with you and get the word out there. Like I said, there'll be links down below in the description. I'll post them probably in the comments as well. If you want to check out, stay in tune with the EDC Roundtable and PNW Fun Works on the EDC Roundtable, please do so. I have, there's great things to come. I can see it. So, thanks so much, guys. Greatly appreciate you. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Till next time. We'll talk later, guys. Bye-bye.